So before starting the Yokogiri, so let's discuss about Yokogiri. Yokogiri mainly based on two types of kick. One Yokogiri Keiage and Yokogiri Kekomi. Yokogiri Keiage means side snap kick and Yokogiri Keko means side thrust kick. Okay, so let's start. Hi, sit down everybody. Spread your leg. So before we starting the kick, let's do some warm up practice for better. Okay, so Yokogiri mainly based on ankle in sort of ankle manipulating. Without ankle manipulating, Yokogiri will not be effective. Okay, let's start the warm up before practicing the Yokogiri. High right leg over your left leg. So first knee rolling. First knee rolling. High 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I change another leg. High 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I change 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, stop. Now both leg forward. Okay. Now we practice how to manipulate or change the position of your ankle. So this is the normal position. This is the normal position of the ankle. So this part called blade. So mainly this the normal position, turn your blade or turn your ankle like that. So this is normal position 1, just turn 2 this. Okay. So try this 1 and 2, 1 and 2. I try. Hi 1, manipulate your ankle, relax. 2, relax. 3, relax. 4, relax. 5, relax. I change your position. I lay down everybody. Okay. Now the another way to do Yokogiri for betterment. Okay, let's this position, this leg up straight. Okay, and hold your ankle. Hi 1, this blade. If that this is wrong, this show your blade down. 2, high up, high this blade down. High 3, high down. 4, high down. Okay, this. Okay, now 45 and hold. High 1, press your blade, press your ankle down. 2, down. 3, down. 4, down. Okay. So here we practice two type of position. First of all, 1, this is the upright, ekdom full straight position, down. Second of all, 45, 2. Okay, down. Before do Yokogiri for junior level or beginners level, this warm up practice for Yokogiri it's mandatory for your better ankle and for better understand the Yokogiri. Okay, I stand up. Okay, now feet together, hand sidewise. For Yokogiri Keiage means snap kick. When you do snap kick, Yokogiri Keiage, ankle up, ankle up, knee facing your 45, your side position. In side view, this is wrong, this is right. Knee facing on your side, okay. So this 1, hey, down, 2, down, okay. Now the Yokogiri Kekomi means thrust kick. Yokogiri Keiage knee up position like that, but Yokogiri Kekomi knee up position like Yokogiri, like Maigeri. This one simple like Maigeri. Just up your knee, down high, side view, high. One, just simple up your knee like Maigeri, down, okay. Now we do Yokogiri Keiage side snap kick. Slowly, 1 count only up your knee, 2 count kick, open your ankle, show your blade, then pull and back your position. High 1, this, now throw, 2, down, okay. Remember that when you do Yokogiri, when you do Yokogiri, if you do this way, this is wrong. Always maintain your body posture. It must be try to on same position. Little bit it's okay, but this is too much, okay. So 1, just up, focus on your body, keep balance, and ankle when you deliver your kick, don't this wrong, maintain this ankle, this and pull and down, okay. So medium speed, 1, pull, 2, pull, 3, pull, 4, pull, okay. So now we try right and left slowly. High 1 count full action slowly. 1, down, another leg, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5, down, 6, down, 7, down, okay. Now medium speed, hitch, down, knee, down, sun, down, she, down, go, down, okay. Now this is called Yokogiri Keiage means snap kick. Now Yokogiri Kekomi thrust kick, okay. Yokogiri Keiage knee up on 45, Yokogiri Kekomi knee up straight like Maigeri. So slowly, 1, just simple up your knee like Maigeri and side, 2 and pull and down, okay. So 1, this pressure, hold your pressure here, so use your ankle, slow, open, hold your ankle, pull and down, okay. Try to not disbalance, okay. Hold your position, hold your balance, okay. So here 1 and slow, open and hold your ankle, pull and drop, okay. In medium speed, 1, in front, 1, down, 2, down, another leg, 1, down, 2, down. Okay? Hi. The slowly do 1 count full action, alternative break right and left. Always remember Yokogiri khei age snap kick, each strike and pull, don't hold. But Kekomi always hold your kick little bit for focus, for thrust, each then pull, knee then pull, sun then pull. Okay, try 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, Yame, stop, relax, deep breath. Okay, now with stance, Kibarachi. Hi, right leg, right side move, Kibarachi with Gedan Barai. Hajime, hey, hey, come on. Now Yokogiri Keiyage, step across, side snap kick. Okay, always this step across, I go my right side, this leg, one, this. Okay, then when I drop my heel, then up your knee. Okay, and do Yokogiri and pull and drop. Okay, in one action, 1 Mamate, 2 3 4. Now Kekomi, Mamate, little bit kick and hold, say make, then pull. 1 Mamate, 2 3 4. Mamate, hi now re. Okay, always remember that the body position of both type of Yokogiri is very essential. Okay, Yokogiri Keiyage, snap kick, knee lift on sidewise like 45, pull and throw and pull, don't hold. But Kekomi, kick, focus then pull, okay. Keiyage, knee 45, Kekomi, up like Maigeri, slow. Okay, on your ankle is very important thing to do Yokogiri, right Yokogiri. Okay, hi Kyosuke, os. Pause.
So that's all for today. Hope you all liked and enjoyed this video. If so, then drop a thumbs up right below, share it, do comment, and don't forget to press the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so that you are the first one to know when a new video is uploaded. Thanks for watching. Os.
অনেকটা ডিফারেন্স এখানে দেখতে পাবি এবার ওরা এখানে ধরে রেখেছে তোর পা